Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're looking at the USO on the daily, weekly, monthly time frame using technical analysis. So let's get right into the daily. We had a heck of a move off the bottom. You have everyone bullish now. You got CNBC, RBC. I think the headline today, how high can oil go? So why are these people coming out when this thing's already run 20%? Now you're chasing it. And the funny thing is, and I'll show you on the week, you can see it on the weekly, we're running into some big resistance here. We have this 618 retrace. We have this big breakdown bar. We have a trend line coming up in here. It just ran way too fast. Expect to pull back. If it pulls back, then we'll watch for another long. But if it pulls back and the SPY and the rest of the indexes start to break down, oil's going right back down to the low, or at least to 923. Then we'll reevaluate this. But let's look at the weekly chart. This is what's really catching my attention. So we got the Fibonacci level from the bigger time frame. Let me move this up a little bit. We're going from this low pivot from February to this high pivot up in here. We did end up shorting the USO up in this range. We started adding here. Our last addition was in there. Came back down. We covered at the 20 MA because I thought we could possibly go up. Instead, it broke down. Now we have an upsloping trend line down below here. The 618, 750. We got a lot of support down in here, don't get me wrong. Took a bounce. You had the hype, the upgrading, or whatever RBC was saying. But now we're back, right back into some heavy resistance. We have the 750. We have this breakdown bar right here. So a lot of people who were buying oil up here, when it was pulling back, they got left holding the bag again. Now it's right back to where they were. A lot of people are going to become sellers just because they got their money back. So you got to watch out for that as well. But we're into resistance on this upsloping trend line, or this upper trend line, the 50 MA, the 750, and then you're coming into the 1150 number as well, which is some more just resistance. Oh man, I love this chart. So what we're looking for, if you're bullish on this, we got to get above the 50 and close, and then confirm. Then I think we're going to 1250. An old gap fill up into this area, and we'll see how it reacts. But at this point, we had a nice retrace. I'm expecting a little more downside on this one because a lot of people are bullish, of course. The talking heads are talking this one up. I'm thinking it's going to pull back. It pulls back, we'll capture the move, and then we'll reevaluate on the upside. Monthly chart, though. Monthly chart, I'm still bearish. Move down. We have a little bit of a tail down in here, but sideways. We have a big inside bar there. If it gets above, say, 1170 or so, or this high, I think it's right around 1170, 1168, then I'll have to respect it a little bit more. Then we could definitely get back to the $14 level. But this is the monthly, so we got to see how it closes at the end of the month, and then we can reevaluate this. But more short term, I think we could get a quick pullback. On the weekly, we're looking for a close below the $11 area or the 20 MA, and then we can see a little more downside. If we get above the 50 MA and continue, then I think we could get to 1250, where I'll be adding one more position on my short USO. All right, everyone, thanks for watching my videos. Hopefully this helps some people out there. If you have any questions or comments, please send an email at stockbookie@gmail.com. And again, thanks everybody for watching. God bless. See you on the charts.